Well, today's video is going to be the new edition of what I got. 2003 Ford F-150 and 6-inch lift 38s. But we'll do a quick little update in here first with the F-150 and the Kawasaki. I never really talked about this truck before in any videos. It's just basically a revving video, but it's a 2003 Ford F-150. No lift in it, just crank torsion bars and 33s on it right now, Hancocks, and they're actually a real nice handling tire. But I used to have 35s on it for a while, and I had a set of 36 by 9-inch wide militaries, but they drove like a bag of shit, the whole 16 plies, and got rid of those. I picked up those tires for 150 bucks, and well, I traded on them for what they're like. There's one. Anyways, besides the point. And the Kawasaki, it's a 1983 KZ 440 LTD Special Edition Black, all that fun stuff. Frames cut. Lawrence springs in the back. I don't know, he said the lad I got off to say he did something to the front shocks, but I don't know the full story. It looks like it's real high right now because it got jacked up. I was going to change the back tire on it. If anyone's wondering, it's a 6-speed standard, built driven from the factory. I got to change the back tire on it. The other back tire's on the back truck way over there, but that's a front tire off a Harley. I wanted a white wall real bad and end up blowing the belt and tire, so I spun off and I'll put my old Premier bald one back on. As you can tell, it ain't much good, but it'll get me bar for the weekend. But now back to the main event. Like I said, 2003 Ford F-150, 6-inch lift. I was told it's a Fabtech lift. I bought chuck with the tires and the lift under it already, but I was told it's a Fabtech lift, but I got a Procom, what do you call it there? Transfer case crossmember spacers, you know what I mean? Like down there you can see them. Truck was black and silver when I got it. It was all beat the fuck, paint all beat the fuck. Truck still beat the fuck, but I just rollered it orange, make it stand out, and I don't know, make it look different. I don't want to see myself coming when I go through town with the truck, so I know my blue truck, every time I go to town with it I see fucking 4 more like it, so I get sick and tired of that awful fast. But yeah, I got 2.5-inch exhaust, front to back, straight pipes, brand new exhaust. The Premier brand new, in real good shape. The whole frame's good shape. They got a bad box rib and stuff on it, but I mean, what do you expect to salt roads in winter? Awful big pigsty in the truck though, but stir patch on the floor in the front. When I took the carpet out of it, I never really took it out. I started cutting it out because I didn't have the right size torque socket to take the seats out. And end up getting a Lendoff one off body, but it's been raining off and on all day, and the truck don't fit in the garage, and I didn't feel like getting soaking wet. But I started fixing the floors in the front. Floors in the back are really good shape. There's no holes in it, but I just say the floors in the front were rotted out because it hang with fucking water and everything all the time. The truck was off the road in a while, and they just used it for the woods only. There's a big story behind how I got this truck. I traded a 2001 Grand Marquis I had for it. Lad wanted a car and I wanted another truck. I never even looked at a truck before I traded him. I just told him I would because I knew about the lift kit under it, and I knew if the truck was fucking junk I could still put lift kit under my blue F-150. But the whole truck got a real good frame on it, and the body's real good, like other than dents and scratches and being all beat, like paint chips and stuff down here, but I'm not real concerned about it. I mean, I don't mind fixing the floors and stuff like that. And I never did a big polish to the truck, but I fixed the frame in the front. You can see the big crinkle in the frame. This tow hook is pointed straight at the ground. He told me he struck a culvert or something in the winter with the truck, or a frozen snow pile, and struck real hard and bent the frame, but it's fixed. It never hurt nothing. It's in front of the body mount where the frame got twisted. If you can see right there, there's the bulge in the frame. It's in front of the body mount, so never hurt any suspension. I got all new brake lines and brakes and ball joints, all that fun stuff. But yeah, she should be a pretty fun truck once I get on the road. I mean, I was using my old truck in the woods, but this is 10 times better if you ask me, because, well, it's left didn't go anywheres at all, Premier. Anywheres I put it so far it went. But I mean, I'm just thinking of if I want to put a crowd of lads in the truck and let's go play up in the woods, I don't give a fuck if they come in with 6 inches of mud on this, because I'll bed line the floor, and then I'll be able to take the hose on one side and out the other and just hose the mud out of it or sweep it out or some fucking thing. Big plan for it, just make a fun street legal toy I can go in the woods and tear the guts out of it and beat off trees and not real worry too much about. Because when I first bought this truck, the blue truck, that was playing with it. I bought this off an RCMP officer down in Moncton. And, but I like this old truck too much. It looks purple, but it's actually blue. I try to keep it clean. I mean, it's dirty right now, dead bugs all in it, but I don't know, just a shame for, I hate having a crowd on this and getting it all full of mud and stuff, especially after I shampooed all the interior. I'm pretty picky when it comes to interior. But that's enough rambling. I think I covered everything I wanted to cover with the truck. You'll see more videos of this probably in the near future, especially when I get on the road playing in the woods. And maybe I'll make a few more videos on the old Kawasaki, but nothing really make videos about this. It's just daily driver. I use this pretty sensible now. But yeah, if you want to see more, just comment or message or whatever the fuck you want to do. And take her easy. Have a good one.